When cases of sexual assault are brought to light, they can come as a complete surprise to people who know the parties involved. Signs of abuse often go unnoticed. CBS 3's Kendall Jarbo shares warning signs parents and kids should be aware of and ways to reach out if you need help.
Sexual assault is a tough subject to talk about, especially when children are involved. Warning signs aren't always obvious. In some cases, it starts with grooming.
Grooming is a series of behaviors, usually by an adult or somebody older, or in a position of power, where they gather information about whoever they're talking to.
Mac Mars, advocacy coordinator at PAVSA, says grooming can include isolation, dependency, and sharing secrets.
People are very different behind closed doors, and just because they may have never shown anything to you as an adult or as the person outside the situation that would lead you to be concerned doesn't mean that behind closed doors they're not capable of something else.
Even though grooming happens, it's important to know victims are not alone. Mars says young people who think they're being groomed should tell someone about it.
But really, if anybody's just trying to isolate you, the best thing that you can do is reach out to another trusted adult in your life. And that could be a teacher, a family member. Just let them know what's going on with this person and why you're concerned.
Parents who want to support and protect their kids should foster a non-judgmental environment.
And just reiterate to your kids that if they do come forward with something to you, that it's not their fault and that you're there to support them.
And now there are resources available to families in the Northland that are needing help, such as legal advice, support groups, and counseling. We have a list of services on our website, cbs3duluth.com. If you are in immediate danger, please call 911.